Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Luxely. Now, if you're not familiar, Luxely Beauty Bag is more of a skin or self-care bag. You get bath products, skin products, hair care, and you get some tools. And this runs $26 a month. You get this runs $26 a month, and you get 25. Oh my gosh, I did it again. This runs $26 a month, and you get 5 self-care products inside. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me for October. When you open it, that's what it looks like inside. They always pack everything in a little bag. I like these bags. These are great for your luggage to separate like underwear from bras, from socks, and to store dirty clothes in and things. And you can even use these for electronics or anything you can think of. Makeup. The fabric, spit it out, Christine. The fabric is like a cotton sheet. So let's see what's inside. A little peek. Is there a card in here? Let's see. There is a card in here. This is for October. Happy autumn. Okay, but they don't have... Oh, it's on this side. I am having a day. Okay, but the prices are not listed, so I will go ahead and place that right here for you as I go through these. So the first thing I am pulling out is a headband. Look at that. That's cute. It has a little stretchy thing that's adjustable. There's a little buckle right here that slides. Yeah, that's really cute. And it's by Navy Bands, adjustable non-slip headband. The next thing I am pulling out is by Patchology, which is Flash Patch Hydrating Lip Gels. There's one gel inside here. That's what that looks like. It provides deep hydration to soften and smooth lips and diminish the appearance of vertical lip lines in 5 minutes. Oh boy, I'm going to be trying this one for sure. I'm going to buy a case if they work. The next thing is by Cricut. It is a shiny the shiny hair, the copper clean way. What does it say? That's what that looks like. Copper properties are known to lessen the buildup of hair naturally produces. The Copper Clean Comb, copper-infused teeth tip coating, helps minimize the appearance of buildup and promotes shiny hair. The copper-infused teeth tip coating helps lessen the appearance of buildup and promotes shiny and healthier hair. Didn't I just read that? Comb through at least 2 or 3 times a day. Use on dry hair. Do not use when blow drying your hair. Interesting. So that is what that looks like. Does it say anything? It says the same thing on the package. The next thing, spray stick. Now my cap is crooked. I hope that means that it just came off. It doesn't look like anybody sprayed anything. It looks pretty clean. But what is it? It's a spray stick by Lanza Keratin Healing Oil. So it is a fast drying, flake free, and humidity resistant. Adds extraordinary volume and lustrous shine. Contains ingredients to protect hair from the UV rays and provides high temperature thermal protection. So that's what that looks like. Let's see the spray. Oh, it's a fine mist. My hair looks terrible today. Let's see if we can fluff it up a little. I don't know. I will use it and I will see what I think. Can't really tell by looking in a camera monitor. So we have that. So next is by Dr. Botanicals. I said Botanicals. So next is by Dr. Botanicals. It is a turmeric mask. It's a superfood restoring treatment mask. Can't read it. That's what that looks like. It restoring treatment mask provides antioxidant protection and hydration to boost skin radiance and balance out your skin. So let's see. How do you use this stuff? Smooth a layer onto the skin after cleansing, toning, and exfoliating, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave on for 20 minutes and wash off. Do it about 2 or 3 times per week. There we go. I do like masks. It really just lifts all of the dead skin off your face and really gets all of the dirt out of your skin, and it just really brightens you up and makes you feel a lot smoother. I love masks. Now the last thing in here, and I notice I get these every time. It's a different brand, of course, but it's always a shampoo and conditioner. And this time it is by Milkshake. It is Integrity Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Let's see what it says about that. Well, that's basically what it says. Now, the conditioner, let's see, the conditioner is deep nourishing, and the shampoo is nourishing shampoo. So there we go. Let's take a smell. It smells spa-like, you know, like a fancy-dancy shampoo. Yeah, it smells really good. These are great for travel, and I've been going back and forth to my son's house quite a bit lately, and I'm really liking these size to bring. And that is all in my Luxely bag this time. We have the shampoo and conditioner, a mask, a finishing spray, a comb, some lip gels, and a headband. I think it was a great month, though I have to say, I would like to get more full-size skincare or self-care products. So I might be looking for another one and bring something new to the channel so you can see what that is. I think $26 a month for sample sizes and things like that, I think that's a little much. So I am going to take a look and see if I can find anything else. And on that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.